In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Math Solver to solve a particular problem in mathematics. You can go ahead and download and install it. I've just downloaded mine and I've installed it. So you can see it over here. So you can click. The first thing is you notice you can scan the math problem, or you can draw it if you want to draw, or alternatively, you can type as well if you want to type. So you can draw the math problem, or you can type it if you have it. If you know it, you can type directly using these different kind of controls. But in this case, I want to scan this, so you can come to scan. I can just go ahead and scan this problem. So you can adjust to the specified point so you can be able to see clearly. So this is the equation, and that's very correct. I can hit on this. So you can see the solution to the problem. It has solved for x. This is it. This is the graph it has plotted, and similar problems that you can use to solve for this. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.